Hello, in this video I will explain creation and debugging of the C and C++ code using Visual Studio Code. First, you need to install the C++ plugin for Visual Studio Code. I have plugin already installed, so I don't install them again. Next step is creation of directory structure for your project. I create the parent directory as a project. It's my preferred way. Then source directory for the source code, out directory for the output, and vs directory to save settings. I come to the file browser and now add the created directory here. I need source code. I will use existing file. Here is my source code, very simple program. Now I need to create build task for the source code. For this, it's important to keep the source file open in the browser. Then go to terminal, configure default build task, and I want to select C minjw bin c++.exe to build the source file. It is a location where minjw compiler is installed. Now the default task is created for me. I label it as a build. Then next step is add the source file. This is my one source file. Second source file is utilities, and I wanted to create output file inside the out folder. And now the compiler is configured. Input file and output file are configured. Next is run the build task. Build is successful. And I want to check whether output file is generated in out folder. Yes, it is generated. I go to the out folder and execute the, yes, output is 30, which is as expected. Now I want to debug the code. To debug the code, I have to create the debug configuration. Go to run, add configuration. I wanted to use GTP as a debugger, and build with default debug configuration is generated. Yes, I have to give here the path for the output file which is generated during build. Exe, then path for the GDB, okay. Then I start debugging. Yeah, but this time I haven't put the breakpoint. I go here, I put breakpoint and start debugging. Okay, I go to view, command palette, and search for watch. Run and debug focus on watch view. I get default value of A, garbage value. Then step into and A value is 30.